Hey y'all, Joe Tang Tech here at Autoscope European Car Care. Today, let's talk about something very important. Here are the top signs to look out for. When should you replace your car's battery? First, check your dashboard. If your battery warning light is on, it's time to get checked. Second, if your car struggles to start or cranks slowly, that's a sign that your battery might be out of juice. Next, corrosion around the battery terminals can affect connection and charging. Keep an eye on that. Finally, if your battery is over 3 years old, it's good to get it tested before it fails. At Autoscope, we ensure that your European car's battery is in top shape. So, if you see any of these signs, don't delay, come see us. Because we don't want you stranded with a dead battery. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more Tiny Tech tips. Autoscope, trust and value the way car repair should be.